Matter exists primarily in three states: solids, liquids, and gaseous state. A state of matter can be reversibly changed from one form to the other without any change in the chemical makeup of matter. Ice, when applied heat, converts into water. This is called melting. On applying further heat, it turns into water vapors. This is evaporation. Similarly, water vapors when cooled down form water, and this conversion is called condensation. If we cool down the water for more time, we get the ice back. This is when it reaches the freezing point. The process of conversion of solid to gas and vice versa is called sublimation. Example of which is when we heat camphor, it changes its state from solid to gas. On the other hand, dry ice, that is an example of conversion of gas to solid.